How to delete or clear Snapchat chats. First of all, update and launch your Snapchat application on your device. You will reach on this camera section once you are logged into your account. Tap on chat icon or chat tab at bottom left corner of the screen. And here you will see all the conversations list on your chat section. In order to delete or clear Snapchat chats, tap and hold particular chat until and unless a pop-up menu box doesn't appear. Select chat and notification settings, tap clear from chat feed. You need to tap on clear button. So you need to know that this will not delete anything for the other person or people in the conversation. It will just remove it from your list of chats. So you can follow similarly for other people or user as well. So once you do that, it will easily delete or clear Snapchat chats. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.